A major problem occurring within the built environment is deforestation. This is the action or process of clearing trees, most commonly through logging and burning for the use of timber or alternative uses such as development. Forests are cut down for many reasons, but most being related to money or people's needs to provide for their families. This can include agriculture and urbanization. These reasons are not always intentional due to lack of knowledge of sustainable forestry.
Currently, forests cover 30% of the Earth's surface. However, they are vanishing at alarming rates. 12 to 15 million hectares of forests are lost to deforestation each year. This is the equivalent of 36 football fields per year. If this rate is kept, all rainforests could vanish in the next 100 years.
Deforestation decreases biodiversity. 70% of the Earth's animals and plants live in the forests, and deforestation causes habitat loss for these species, which could lead to extinction. It can also result in climate change. When trees are removed, this leads to canopy loss, which results in extreme temperature swings and water cycle disruption. When these two things occur, many forests end up becoming deserts instead.
Deforestation is a major contributor to climate change because of the loss of trees and plants which take in carbon dioxide, which is a top component in greenhouse gases. Fewer forests means larger amounts of greenhouse gases entering the atmosphere and causing an increased rate of climate change.
While there is no perfect solution to deforestation, every little bit counts. The best option is to stop the removal of trees from forests. However, this is an unlikely solution because our global society continues to develop. Other options include the elimination of clear cutting and instead use managed forests. The managed forest is one that replants young trees as older ones are cut down for use. Protected forestry areas such as national forests and preservation areas can help to prevent the global loss of too many trees.
Developers should attempt to build their new housing developments as a cluster community, which can be highly beneficial to both the environment and those who live there. Rather than having one house per acre with a large open lawn, developers may want to try 2 or 3 houses per acre with more native vegetation. In communities like this, driveways and parking can be shared, and fewer trees have to be cut down in order to do this. Shared areas like parks and recreation centers allow more community bonding in a more environmentally friendly way as compared to separate lawns.
When zoning these new proposed development sites, the developer needs to take into consideration the environmental sensitivity of the site and avoid causing detrimental impacts on landscaping features, mature trees, and plants.